Oh, something's wrong with our sofa. What? Poopsie toys and slimes? Okay, I'll go find another place. There we go. Ouch! What's wrong here? What? Poopsie again? Could it be that… Oh no! Huh. Of course there are Poopsie toys here as well. Holy cannoli in here?
What happened, Sue?
We have too many Poopsie toys. We don't have enough space to store them all.
Don't be sad, Sue. I'll fix it now.
Sammy, wait. Oh, what is he up to, I wonder?
Sue, catch!
Huh? Whoa, Sammy, let's unbox it right away. Hi guys, look at this awesome gift that I got from Sam. It is a Bart Jacobs display case for all my Poopsie toys. It has a very cute and unusual design made in the shape of a perfume bottle.
It is also super big and smells nice.
Right, Sammy. Here we can accommodate 25 characters and 12 slimes.
Sue, did you notice that this case is not just for storing?
Right, guys? This is a 2-in-1. You can also play with it. Wow, who's this beauty? It's an exclusive Cutie Tootie, which we can find in this set only. I've been dreaming about it all this time. Sammy, look at this funny sun. And this beautiful rainbow.
Sue, I'm really happy that you liked my gift, but let's open it already.
Of course, Sammy. Let's do it. Oh, how I love to open new packages. Whoosh. Cool.
Sue, I can watch you unwrap packages forever.
I know, Sammy, and I'm in love with this soft lilac color. And to get even more of it, let's remove the stickers. Up, done.
Sue, I guess this reminds me of something.
What do you mean, Sam?
This looks like the door of a washing machine.
Sammy, it's just the lid of the case for slime storage. Here you can put your most favorite slimes and make the package even brighter.
Maybe the best slime in the world could live here?
As you wish, Sammy. I suggest to move to the golden part and find out what's hiding in the flowers.
Sue, I'm looking forward to it too. What is actually hidden inside this box?
Let's open it and see. A surprise! What a pink cutie! We have to open it quick. Sammy, bring the scissors.
Here I am, Susie with your scissors. Here you go.
Thanks, Sammy. Be careful with the scissors, guys. And we need to free this little lady to take a closer look. Guys, look how sparkly it is. And I like this soft pink color. She's also winking at you. This is the most unusual Cutie Tootie from the whole collection, and we'll use an unusual way to open it.
Wait, Sue, I don't get it. Do you want to cut it?
Of course, Sammy. We'll open it differently than usual. And somewhere inside, the surprise is waiting for us. Come out. I can already see it. We take out the package and remove the slime from it. I've been dreaming about this moment. Come to me, little one. It's a bunny, a unicorn, and a mermaid. Plus, she has very beautiful eyes and fluffy eyelashes. This bunny comes with a slime. It's a soft turquoise color with heart-shaped glitter. This slime looks like magical water. Let's set our mermaid here. Jump in here, baby. You can swim here for now.
Sue, I found another mermaid in our collection. They can become friends.
Great idea, Sammy. And now we'll open the case.
Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to announce the official opening of the case. Welcome our incredible Susan!
Thanks, Mr. Sammy. Guys, are you ready? Da-da-da-da-da! Wow, guys, check out these beautiful sections inside the container. They're so bright and full of different cuties. Awesome!
Yeah, they look really cool. I would love to live here. Sue, what do you think these small containers are for?
Ooh, you're so attentive, Sammy. These containers are for slimes. Each container has its own individual lid. It is very convenient and secure. In total, we have 2 containers here. We can fit all our slimes there. Ooh, I see a secret drawer. Let's see what's inside. Wow, I see unicorn sparkle. We'll add it to our slime. Here we also have the instructions. And this shelf goes back to its place. Later, we'll find a way to use it.
Shoo, I think it's high time for our cuties to move in.
Right, Sammy. The little ones should find their home. Cutie Tootie, you stay here. And Finn's room will be here. Now it's time for the slime. We'll open the sparkle and pour it out. Wow! Let's start kneading our slime. Whoa, guys, look how sparkly these cute circles are. It's a real mermaid slime. Let's pick up the rest of the glitter and store our slime. Like this. And let's use the container. The first slime found its home. Yay!
Shoo, have this. It's a slime from me, made with love.
Oh, Sammy, you keep surprising me today. We'll store the heart in the next container. There you go.
With love for Shoo.
Sammy, you are something. You chose very beautiful colors. Everything shines so bright. Is it some holiday today, I wonder? Why so many gifts for me?
That's because you make me happy every day with your crafts, and I decided to make you happy today. Guys, if you want to make Shoo happy too, then give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.
Here, all done. Now we can close the containers.
Wait, Shoo!
What? What happened, Sam?
I want to help you and close these containers myself.
Oh. Thanks, Sammy. The first block is ready and we can put it back to its place.
Here come the new residents.
Hi, little ones. Sammy, I have a task for you. Could you fill the second container with slimes?
I'm on it, Shoo.
And we'll get to the accommodation. Baby Star will live near our mermaid. And this baby will have a sun in his room. Some of our residents have their own portraits on the walls. Well, almost. Pink Cutie Panda will go here, and Mrs. Pizza will be her neighbor. This is the shiniest resident of our house. Done!
All the slimes are packed, Shoo.
Great, Sammy! The second container goes back to its place.
Watch out! Be careful! Shoo! I hope you didn't forget that we have big poopsies in our collection as well.
Of course not! Our case has special places for them. We remove these shelves and get bigger apartments. Baby Tiger moves in first. Right here. Surely old toys are great. They're full of good memories. But it's also nice to have at least one new toy.
Shoo, don't be sad. You know that today I am a master of surprises. Here is the promised surprise.
Wow, Sammy, that's my favorite! Poopsie Sparkly Critters with some cuties inside. Inside, we'll find a toy with surprises. Look, it's a rainbow collection. In total, we can find 15 babies, and here we can read the detailed instructions. Sammy, can you remove the plastic, please? In the meantime, I'll clear the table and set the case aside.
Shoo, it's ready. You can open it.
Awesome! We can start the unboxing. Here comes the most interesting part. We remove the cardboard cover and guess what we find inside? There's some unicorn magic and unicorn shimmer. Now, let's take out the first baggie. Guys, check out this awesome color. Now turn it and get the next surprise. In the next section, we have the instructions and the catalog. We move forward and… wow! That's the biggest baggie here! Done! The box is empty. So I suggest starting with the catalog. Let's find out which characters we can get. We open the catalog. Let's see. Wow! Look, so many of them! On the other side, there are also many new characters, but we'll set this aside for now and start with the baggies. Let's open the first purple baggie. Whoosh! What's here? Wow, it's a unicorn spoon! It has a pretty golden color, beautiful mane, and a cute drawing here. And this is a baggie for slime. What's written there, I wonder? Wow, poop chips! Check out this cute picture. We're moving on to the second baggie. Open up and… whoa! It's Farta! And it's pink. Now it's time for the biggest baggie. Look how shiny it is. And check out this deep color. Let's find out who's inside. Wow! Guys, check out that golden horn and all the cute curls. These deep eyes are adorable, and I love the fluffy eyelashes. What's your name, little one? Let's find out. Her name is Fluff, from the Bougie Poops series. We tick her off like this.
Shoo! I guess you'll need water.
Right guess, Sammy. Now we'll need to fill our Farta. It's important to fill the whole bottle. Just like this. Come here, Fluff. I'll give you some Farta. Here you go. We close the mouth and start shaking. A shake, 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 a shake, shake, shake. Shake, 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 a shake, shake, shake. Done. Now I need a bowl to squeeze out the slime. Hop. A little more. Ooh, done! Awesome! Now we have to wait for a couple of minutes until our slime sets. Now it's good to go. We can put it on the table. I really like this soft teal color. It reminds me of mint candy. Yum! It's time for a little bit of unicorn magic. We open our magic. Wow! And put it onto our slime. Next comes the shimmer. Let's add some stars to the slime. And we start the best part, kneading. You need to knead it real well so it becomes uniform. Don't miss any piece of magical powder. So here's the result. From transparent gel, it turned into a stretchy slime.
Shoo! I already prepared the baggie for our slime. Here you go.
We put the slime inside, block it, and we squish it just like this so it's spread evenly in the baggie. Done! Here's the whole set of our fluffy girl. The case is back because it's time to fill the front storage.
Shoo, this is for you.
Oh, great, Sammy! Now we can fill this section.
Whoa, Shoo, there's so many slimes in your collection. Which one is your favorite?
My favorite slime is you, Sammy.
Oh, look at Ellie, that's so sweet.
And we're merging all our slimes into a big, colorful one. Wow, guys, look how cool they're mixing together. I think that they're ready to move into our case. So we fill this door carefully, not to miss a spot. Press it nicely and close the door. Done! We can open the actual case. And ta-da! Let's remove these shelves right away. Fluff, welcome to your new house.
Shoo, didn't you forget something? Will you find a spot for this baby?
Oh, of course! Welcome to your new room, Cheeky. And now, guys, let's use some magic. Whoosh! fine. There's so many of them, but each has its own room. Guys, our case also has room for accessories. For example, we can fold the bag with the slime and put it right here. And the unicorn spoon goes into the drawer on top.
Shoo, hold on! I have 3 more spoons for you.
Awesome, Sammy. That's a really good idea. This half also has a secret spot. We'll hide unicorn food here.
Greetings, dear resident of Fart Jacobs. I would like to congratulate you on moving into a new home. And you guys, please give them a thumbs up.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Bye-bye.